Now look inside of the damn fuel tank of a freaking '06 Range Rover. Ain't this something? It's the most complex damn fuel tank I've never seen. And look inside. We actually cut the top open because, you know, curious minds will kill us. But if you ever need a sending unit on a Range Rover Sport, you better be ready to replace the whole tank, buddy. For real. That shit's deep in that thing, and the only way to get at it is from cutting it open like this. Now, thank God we don't need this tank. It's bad anyway, got a hole in it. But, man, he's doing surgery like a motherfucker. So, yeah, if you ever need a sending unit, you're fucked. Actually, anything that goes wrong inside this tank, besides the fuel pump, you fucked. So, hey, I got your back. It's good. Sometimes y'all may never ever see shit like this, so that's why I video it, so y'all will know